Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into Freepik and opening the AI image generator. Once logged in, pick your canvas size and have 2-3 reference images ready. This speeds up results. Next, write a focused prompt with subject, mood, and style. Short phrases work best. Include technical details like resolution and aspect ratio so the generator matches your output. You do this now to reduce iterations. Clear inputs let the system converge faster and save credits. Once you have a base prompt, refine it with modifiers. Photorealistic, cinematic lighting, wide angle, or pastel colors to control output. Make sure to set iterations and seed if you need consistent variations. Increase upscaling for print quality images. You should preview 3-5 variations, compare composition and color, and then iterate by adding or removing adjectives. If an area looks off, upload a mask or reference to guide the model. These steps reduce guesswork and get you to the final image faster. To finish, upscale the chosen image and download it in the format you need, including transparent background if required. Make sure to check edges and fine details. If you notice artifacts or weird anatomy, rerun with clearer prompts and increase fidelity. If problems persist, change the random seed or simplify the prompt. Removing conflicting descriptors often fixes instability. One key troubleshooting tip: when nothing improves, reduce detail and rebuild the prompt stepwise so you isolate which term causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.